Hi everybody, today I will go over challenge math problem 86 together with you. Okay? Let me read the question first. In the figure above, what is the length of a radius of a circle U? If the length of a side of the square is 30 inches. Okay? You got it, right? Here, this length is 30 as we saw last time. Got it? Okay. So let's go next page. Okay, you can see here. You already surveyed this figure, right? Now, this value here to the value of A, you see here, this value of A, here TZ is A we define, and R is the radius of TQ, means radius of a circle Q, which is 2.57359 we get last time. Thus, value of OQ we define as H for the purpose of simplicity. And then value of H will be 32.57359. I repeat here the calculation, the same one. Okay. So pretty much like here, 39.6393 angle of theta, and then from there we get the angle of OEQ. OEQ means this angle, right? Okay, those are just kind of review from the last question. And then the QE was here total length 5.14719. Okay, we saw this one. We used all the values last time. Okay, so pretty much this one is kind of a review on the number 85. But one important on this page is this one. Okay, 147.35. What is this one? Angle OQT. Angle OQT. Okay, this angle. This one you have to keep in mind for next page, okay? Because the this angle from law of cosine of triangle OQE, we got this angle as 122.65 degrees, and then this total angle is 270. From 270 we take 122.65, then we have an angle OQT is 147.35. Okay. So you get the kind of a review from last problem. Okay, let me read again here. Make a clean page. Okay, now we go over next page. Yeah, figure-wise, it looks a very similar one but the on right side data here is now different. The length of OT, which was F, okay, from T to O here, total length was 347682 from law of cosine, because we have an angle OQT. Do you remember just before we had here this angle? That's why using law of cosine we could get this length of OT, which is 347682. Okay, you remember. And then value of A we get here using this one we just leave. Okay, so in application of law of cosine for triangle OUZ, we will use OZ as total length of F minus A. F is 34.7682 here. Okay, and then OU, this length will be 30 plus G. Okay? This one is 30 plus G. G is radius. And then another value, now we have F minus A is here, this side. And then we have information on this side, right? That side, UZ. UZ will be here. I put down as 3, which is same as 2 root RG minus G times tangent 30.363 degrees. Okay? 30.363 degrees is this angle here. And then we know the R was, on this equation, R was 2.25 or 2.25, right? On previous page, let's go over here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, R is 2 point here. 2.57359. You remember, right? So go back previous page again. And let me erase here a little bit. Okay. So here we have F value and thus we can get the F minus A to one side, and on another side OU is 30 plus radius we're looking for, and then another side here 3 UZ is UW minus ZW, okay, UW minus ZW, okay, as you saw here. Okay? This part you can see here. And then we have an angle, this one is 30.363 degrees. We have 3 sides here and one angle, and we can set equation for law of cosine. Okay, let's go back to the next page because I didn't have enough space, so I wrote down more detailed one on next page. Okay, let's go over here. Okay. Again, let me erase because a little complicated here. Now we have equation for lower cosine 30 plus g equals or u square equal f minus g over cosine beta square. This one is length of OZ, and then 2 times root gr minus g times tangent beta square. Yeah, beta is here 30.363. Okay, I just replace this one to make a shorter equation. Minus 2 times 2 side times cosine of opposite angle from that side. Okay? When you calculate this one using my calculator, I use the calculator TI-Nspire. The TI-Nspire is a great calculator because you can use the letter A through Z separate keyboard. Okay? So I recommend this. Okay, you can see the image on online right away. You put the TI Inspire, then they show you image right away, and you can see. And the price was around in US dollar. At Amazon, I bought about a month ago. I paid 129, I remember. Okay, 29. So you just put all those equations, doesn't matter how long, okay, really complicated equation, whatever, and then the one click on button, enter, then they show you the answer right away. And then this calculator gave me valuable radius of a circle U at 1.5396182. Okay? So if you have any question or if you want a more detailed, then you can send me any question to my email, A.durkkim@gmail.com. So when you write down, if you put the title YouTube question, then it will be helpful for me because I get so many junk email, and then for the real email I have to screen out. Okay, so if you put the title or subject like YouTube question, then I can see very easily. Okay? Now let's go back to another question here. Now you see here, right? Using all of the information I have, okay, one side and another side and another side, using one angle in between two sides, I could set equation as you saw on other pages. Okay? If you miss any part, you can rewind your video and you can see. And then after I set equation and solve using my calculator TI Inspire, Texas Instrument. TI means Texas Instrument, right? So I just list this one earlier. And then you saw the work on next page. Okay? So from lower cosine using a triangle UZO, I could get this value. Okay? Now, next time I will go over little different one. Okay? I have a semicircle here, and inside I have a big circle, and then another small circle tangent to three curves here and to the one line. The question is, in the figure above, what is the length of a radius of circle R? Okay? Circle R here. What is the radius of circle R? For the simplest, I define length of PA is 4A, which means radius of a semicircle is 8A. So, radius is 4A. Okay? This radius is 4A. So in terms of A, what is the radius of R? That's your question. Okay? See you next time for this question. Okay? Try yourself by the time we come back for this challenge number, question 87. Okay? Okay, bye. Thank you. But if you want to get my YouTube continuous directory, why don't you click subscription? Then probably they upload next lecture on your YouTube directory instead of searching. Or if you didn't do, you go on search A.durkkim TV, and then you can check, right? Challenge Math 87. Okay, after I cover more problems, then I will go over series of trigonometry and the calculus 1 and 2, and for lower grade students, I will go over algebra 2, and then later I will go over some important topics of physics and chemistry. Okay? See you then. Thank you. Bye.